On some more breaking updates coming in, viewers, Union Minister Smriti Irani has this time lashed out at Congress over the coronavirus politics and said that while the entire country is at this point uniting with the Prime Minister, it is the Congress that is playing politics over all issues, including migrant labourers. In fact, this is the latest statement coming in from Smriti Irani, Union Minister Smriti Irani, who has now lashed out at the Congress over coronavirus politics. She has said that while the entire country in a way is battling and uniting against coronavirus and standing with the Prime Minister, it is the Congress that is playing politics over all issues. Let's listen to what she had to say.
Those who have stifled the voices of millions in this country for 7 decades today tell the country to speak up. The country spoke in one voice against Corona when the Prime Minister appealed that all of us need to fight this COVID-19 pandemic together. The country stood together with the Prime Minister when 1,76,000 crores was announced under the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana. The country is witness to the fact that for the first time you have a government that is hoping to support small businesses through the financial package as has been announced by the Finance Minister. I agree that yes, there have been challenges, but this particular challenge did not come with a prescribed formula for success. I also agree, yes, the Congress will find nuances and instances where they will politicize issue. It is their right. But what they need to reflect on, that is this the time for our country to stand politically divided? There have been millions of Indians who have been brought back home via train, via planes, via ships. From across the world, millions who have gone between state to state. The government of India and state governments have stood resolutely and worked together to ensure that these citizens of our country get support. I will not deny that there are many people still in movement. But yes, India, apart from its government, as people has withstood the test of this time, ensured that we reach out with as much support as we can. Who gets helped when India stands divided? That is a question I think we all need to ponder on.
My colleague Shanta Shri, who's joining us on this broadcast. So Shanta Shri, a big statement coming in from Union Minister Smriti Irani this time, was lashing out at the Congress for playing politics on all issues relating to coronavirus at this point. Take us through how Congress in a way is trying to play big on the migrant crisis at such times when the entire country should be united.
Yes, definitely, Richa. You know, from the very first day, we had seen that how PM Modi, at the helm of affairs, had been trying to guide not only the millions of Indians to stay put in their homes and also be self-reliant, and also so much of money has been pushed into the economy so that these last 2 months of lockdown, when so many people have suffered regarding their businesses, regarding their work, they can at least gain from that particular economic package that was declared. Despite such efforts being made, despite the call for unity continuously by PM Modi at the end of the lockdown, despite that, there had been criticism that had been coming regarding the migrant crisis and regarding other failures that we had seen in the past few days, because migrants had been seen, that struck by a train or crushed over by lots of accidents. So till that time, we had seen that India had been united and Congress had not been speaking against the government. But after all these incidents, Congress had been trying to politicize this issue, trivialize this issue rather. We had seen Rahul Gandhi going and meeting the migrant workers. We had seen how he had been poking fun at the economic condition of this country, despite the attempts that are being made to bring the economic condition back to its normalcy. And also, we had seen how in Uttar Pradesh, the bus services that was provided by Priyanka Gandhi and requesting Yogi Adityanath, that was also an attempt to politicize the entire migrant issue. So we had seen them poking not only fun, but also highlighting the flaws that the government has been putting on. So Union Minister definitely is agreeing that yes, there had been challenges that we are trying to overcome, but at the same point of time, we need support. We need an extension of a strengthening of bond for unifying against this dangerous pandemic that is spread across the world, rather than criticism and of course politicization.